Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, and I got some mail from my friends over at PandaHall. So stay tuned and let's see what's in this package. Alright, let's see what goodies we have in here. I know they had to substitute something because they were out of stock by the time I was able to order it. Oh, looks like I've got some extra things here. We got pink, turquoise. Look at all this stuff. I'm going to set this aside. What is this? Oh, I love this. This is a little, as we would call it here in Louisiana, a little lanyard, which means a little something extra. Isn't that cute? PandaHall.com. Beads, findings, gems. Oh, that is so cute. It's a little bag. Thank you, PandaHall. All right, let's see what all I got here. Let's start out with these really pretty pink beads. They're 6 millimeter. We have a 10 strand. I believe they're a dyed jade, ocean jade, I think is what they called it. And let's see. I wrote some stuff down here. So we're looking at, these are actually 6 millimeter, deep pink. I have 10 strands, and there's about 62 beads per strand. Look at that. Oh, it reminds me of flamingos. Got a little bit of yellow in there. I love pink and yellow together. That's so pretty. Okay. Now these are the same type beads, but they're 8 millimeter, 10 strands. There are, let's see, they're calling them turquoise. And there are 48 per strand. Aren't those pretty? Very tropical. I like the feel of them too. And then this is what I had to substitute. Originally I had asked for some coconut rondelles, but they sold out of them. So, and it's funny because I kept going back and forth between those and these. So I was just meant to have these. Again, we have 10 strands. These are coconut discs. There's about 111 beads per strand. And we have 10 strands. We have all different colors. I see yellow, pink, green, blue, brown. Very tropical again. And let's see. I'll put that aside because I'm going to have to get something to help me open that. Next thing I'm going to open here, there's 100 pieces here. They're Tibetan bead caps. They're calling them red copper. And they're just little floral bead caps. Those will look really nice on those beads I just got. Now, if you're interested in any of these pretties, I will leave links to PandaHall's webpage along with links to each one of these. And I believe I'm going to be getting a coupon code. So that'll be nice. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? And these are also Tibetan style bead caps. There's 100 of them. And they're calling them antique silver. Then I need to open this. I have a pair of scissors right here. believe these are coconut discs, if I remember correctly. There's 200 pieces in here. They're dyed wood coconut, I call them coconut links. Comes in a nice little container. Oh yes, we have 2 different colors. And I have some ideas for these. Here's the black. And these look like coconut here. They're that coconut colored shell, which they are coconut. This one I think is are they calling it dyed? Yeah, dyed. So stay tuned. I will have some videos coming up with me creating some things with all these really pretty items here. I want to thank my friends over at PandaHall for sending me all these pretty beads. There we go. Lots of fun going to be happening. And thanks for the lanyard too, the little bag. Thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.